Why does my air conditioner sound like it's bubbling? Because trapped air, moving refrigerant, or a clogged drain line can make it sound like liquid is sloshing or bubbling inside. That sound usually means something is moving through the system the way it should not be, or the system is moving a little too much liquid and air together. Your air conditioner has refrigerant, which is the special cooling fluid that absorbs heat from your house and carries it away. If there is air in the lines, a low refrigerant charge, or a problem in the drain pan or drain tube, the noise can sound like bubbling, gurgling, or water running. One thing people do not always know is that the sound can come from the indoor unit, not just the outside one, because condensation water is also supposed to drain out quietly. If that drain line gets dusty, slimy, or partly blocked, water can back up and make a bubbly noise. Another hidden cause is a dirty air filter, because weak airflow can make the coils get too cold and start icing, which later melts and makes strange water sounds. A simple thing you can do is check the air filter, look for standing water near the unit, and listen to whether the sound happens only when the system starts or stops. If the bubbling gets louder, the air is not cooling well, or you see ice, it is smart to shut the system off and have a technician look at it. A common mistake is assuming every bubbling sound means the air conditioner is about to break, when sometimes it is only water draining the wrong way. A quick tip is to see whether the sound happens during heavy cooling, because that can point to normal condensate flow. Another mistake is ignoring a clogged filter, since poor airflow can create noises that seem like plumbing trouble. The easiest fix is to change the filter and make sure vents are open. A third thing to watch is refrigerant trouble, because a low charge can make a gurgling sound and also reduce cooling, and that is not something to guess at. If the unit is still bubbling after a filter change and drain check, it is best to stop using it and call a pro before a small issue turns into a bigger repair. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Job It Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out and message you back with their estimates.